What is a contested surrogates court proceeding? Well, there are several different types. If one person, so what is the precipitating event? What's the initial event? Someone passes away with or without a will. If they pass away without a will, that's an administration proceeding. And then the person closest in blood or in marriage should file a petition with the court to administer the estate. So a spouse, an oldest child, an adult parent, right? That's who should file a petition. Let's say someone other than one of those close relationships files for an administration petition. Well, then the person that's closer by blood or marriage can contest. Sometimes there's a will, and the will leaves someone out. Forget someone unintentionally or intentionally. So the person that was left out potentially, possibly has a claim. So you'll see that sometimes a parent will have 3 children and leave one of the children out. That child has to be in New York, has to be notified about the proceeding, and that child can come in and say, hey, Mom, Dad said that I was going to get the house, a part of the bank account, something. Whether it's accurate or not, whether it's truthful or not, whether it was truthful at one time and then the parent changed their mind. But that child can make a claim and, contest the validity of the will based on certain legal factors. Was the person sane and had capacity to make a will? Was the will done properly? Was there due execution? Was there undue influence? So there's legal potential claims that a person can bring. Those are at least broadly speaking, two of the type of contested surrogates court matters. Then there's an accounting. A person has become the fiduciary, either an administrator or an executor, and they fail to distribute money, or they fail to distribute all of the money, or they pay certain claims maybe that they weren't supposed to pay, or they didn't act prudently with the money. So we've been involved in all of those. That's a contested accounting. So if you need any help with the surrogates court, if you have questions about the process you're going through, reach out. frankbrunolaw.com